Hello and welcome to number 9 in our series of conversation classes for coaching English on Facebook. Today is probably our last one. So we're going to look at how to behave and speak in a job interview. And also, just for a bit of fun, how you shouldn't behave in a job interview. So, without further ado, let's look at how you should conduct yourself in a job interview. Good afternoon. Please take a seat. Thank you. Pleased to meet you. So tell me a bit about yourself. Well, I finished my studies with a master's in engineering and then worked for 8 years in an engineering firm that designs and builds bridges for several European government agencies. And what made you want to change jobs and join our company? I thoroughly enjoyed my time in my current position, but felt that after 8 years, it was time to move on to a new challenge and push myself a little. And why do you think we could provide this challenge that you're seeking? I think your company will provide a greater diversity of work as it is contracted on many different types of structures. Great! You seem to meet all our requirements. I'll be back in touch with you soon, hopefully with good news for both of us. Well, we hope you got a lot of tips from that conversation. Now here's what you should certainly not say in a job interview. Good afternoon. Please take a seat. Hi there! What's up? So tell me a bit about yourself. I'm great at my job and I've worked for 7 companies in the last 3 years. I get bored really. And what made you want to change jobs and join our company? I got fed up with all the idiots I was working with. And why do you think we could provide a challenge you would enjoy? Because you pay a huge salary. Okay, don't call us, we'll call you. So thank you very much for watching the last of our series in Conversation Coaching English. Don't forget to like our page and click like and comment. And we hope we'll be seeing you in not so distant future for another series of conversation classes. Bye!